rub it up, man. And chill and relax. And be able
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, man, come on, come on. Come on, Chad.
personal players, and you have a back ready. Getting on you.
Hundred and 9 for no loss. 20 more required of 36 balls. They should do this in a canter. Shabir Aluwala to continue from the commentator's box end. Atul, would you, at this stage of the innings, get a slip in and get another fielder inside the circle?
No way, I don't think so that Mumbai Heroes will take the chance or the foresight to do that. They're playing a very conventional form of cricket, you know. In a proper match it makes sense because you got nothing to lose. You've got 10 wickets to take. You never know, you take 2-3, the panic sets in, suddenly the required run rate goes over 5. Anything can happen, but here they just walk in the park now. और मुझे तो लगता है कि रोहन ये मैच बहुत ही जल्दी खत्म होने वाला है क्योंकि इतनी पास आने के बाद अब पिल्ले जिस तरह से सेट हैं, अरे बड़े शॉट्स के लिए जाएंगे. पॉली ने बड़ी अजीबोगरीब पारी खेली और मानना पड़ेगा एक शीट एंकर रोल है. 14 ओवर बल्लेबाजी करके 14 रन पे खेल रहे हैं. बहुत कम होता है ऐसा T20 में कि ओपनर जो है ऐसी पारी खेले.
But to be honest, he's done all that has been asked of him. Raja's not had the best of days. He's struggling.
मुझे लगता है कि गलती करते हैं कि आखिरी समय तक बॉल को अपने हाथ में आने देखते नहीं है, नजर हटा लेते हैं पहले से ही और फिर इसीलिए दस्तारों में बॉल आ नहीं रही है. In cricket, as they tell you, basics is they just watch the ball till the last minute. They made things easy.
But to be fair to Raja, this is not the easiest pitches to keep on, Atul, because the ball is keeping low. Shabir bowls with a bit of pace. It's not the easiest track to bat or to keep on. It's a very easy track to bowl on, and I think the Mumbai Heroes, when they look back at this game, will not be happy with their bowling effort, especially with the amount of extras they've given.
But going by the score, Rohan, 1-1-2 for no loss after 14.4 overs. It looks like both the teams were batting on different tracks altogether. You can imagine by the fact that from the bat, 81 runs have been scored. So almost 31 runs have been scored through extras, and that shows indiscipline from Mumbai Heroes part. They will learn from this mistake. This is a building process. The more they play together, the more matches they play, they will get the formula right for sure.
Good running by the Kerala strikers once again. When it comes to Polly, they play tip and run. As soon as the ball hits the bat, they scamper through for a single. That has been their game plan, and it's worked to a T. Oh, bit of carry there. Shabir bending his back, putting a little bit more effort in that ball, and surprising Pillai. And it's not an easy job to surprise Pillai because he's batting on 67 of 54 balls. A healthy strike rate of 124. There you see the carry.
It's been difficult batting out there, and that's why 67 from Pillai is very commendable. Struggled earlier on and then kept it. Kept well as well. Today got the gloves, bowled the first over as well. So he's done everything possible. And Mohan Lal has given him all opportunities. After 15, 1-1-4 for no loss.